store, and they business plan with my food store. First, I want to talk about management. They are manager, staff, and reception part. Staff part in my store is waiter, waitress, and delivery staff. About food, my store is I want my store will sell the fast food, drink and snack. The service. I have customer care, sales and promotion. In customer care, they have delivering food and gift for customer in many holidays. In the promotion, my store can promote many food of store by leaflet, internet, magazine and newspaper. For the competition, I will have many sales of some food. And equipment. I want to prepare the kitchen applications and furniture. In kitchen application, I have materials and ingredient in materials. Knife, pans, fry pan, so on. And in ingredient is many. In there has salt, about furniture of the store. I want to decorate my store so look like beautiful. Furniture, settee, chair, table, air condition, some many things to decorate my store. And finally, if financials, in my financial, I will use some money to service and equipment and ingredient for food. That's all.